Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to know about some new inventions and their uses. Let us see. I'm going to share the screen. New inventions and machines. Okay. So global English. You have to take out the page number 64 and 65 of your global English. Global English 64 and 65. Okay, children. So 65, page number 64. You can see here a history of inventions. Today we are going to know about the history of inventions. See, first one we have the wheel. What do we have the first one? Wheel. One of the most important inventions is the wheel. You know, children, more than 5,000 years ago, the wheel was invented. When it was invented, more than 5,000 years ago, it was invented. The wheel made it much easier to carry heavy things. Our transportation, carrying things, everything became much easier with the help of these wheels. About 170 years ago, you know, the tire was invented. The tires which we are using for the two-wheelers, cycles, yes, buses, cars, all the tires there. The tire was invented 170 years ago. 170. It was made of rubber and filled with air. We know this, right? And traveling on wheels was much more comfortable. Isn't it more comfortable? Yes, we can travel very easily without wasting any time. We can save time and save journey also. Now, next one, let us see about the printed books. You know, children, so many years ago, people used to write books with their hands. It used to take some years to write one book. Then 500 years ago, a German called Gutenberg invented a new kind of printing press. Who invented printing press? Gutenberg, a German man, German people. His name is Gutenberg. He invented the printing press. With the help of this printing press, the printing of papers became much easier. And now we are able to take the print of some thousands of prints we can take in 1 hour or in few minutes. Yes or no? If you go for the Xerox, how much time it takes to give you prints? It takes very few minutes. Yes? Now television. During this lockdown, children, you are enjoying television at home? Are you enjoying? Seeing some cartoons, some movies, some entertainment programs, okay? And you are watching TV. Do you know television was invented nearly 100 years ago? When the television was invented? 100 years ago. But not many people had a television in their home until after 1950. After the independence only, in 1947 we got the independence and 1950 we got the republic. Yes. So freedom, we got the freedom in 1950. So after 1950 only, so many people had taken the TVs in their homes. The first TV was black and white TV. Now we have color TVs, LEDs, yes, small mini theaters, lots of. We have so many. Next, let us see the telephone. Telephone, when was it invented? Do you know? Telephone was invented in 1857. Sorry, 1876. When was it invented? It was invented in 1876. The name telephone comes from two Greek words, which means far and voice. What is the meaning of telephone? Tele means far, phone means voice. Tele means far, phone means voice. It is a Greek words. These are Greek words. Tele and phone are Greek words. And we can hear the far voice, no? That's why it is called as telephone. The first mobile phone was invented in about 1980. When was the first mobile phone invented? The first mobile phone was invented in the year 1980. Ask your family if they can remember when there was no mobile phones. Ask your parents, beta, once after the class you can ask when there was no mobile phones, when there were no phones, how they used to communicate with their families, how they used to send messages to their families. They used to send their messages through letters. Yes? Yes, no? They used to write letters. They used to send letters to their families. Okay? And next, you, next you have some pictures. You can see 65 page number. One television is there. Next, printing press is there. Wheel is there. Mobile phone is there. And tire is there. Can you tell me? Take out the pencil. Take pencil. Take pencil. Shanmukapriya, concentrate here. Stop eating now. And now see. Among these pictures, can you tell me what was the first invention? What was the first invention? There are some pictures you can see. Wheel, tire, mobile phone, printing press, television. Which is the first one? Vishnu, you can just tell me, I can hear you. Wheel is the number one. Which one is the number one? Wheel. Wheel is the number one. And number two, printing press. Number three, tire, rubber tire. So now wherever the wheel is there, near the wheel put number one. Put number one near the wheel in page number 65. One small wheel is there, no? Down to telephone there is a wheel. Put number one there. Done. Number two, printing press. Where is printing press? Can you see printing press? Put number two near the printing press. And where is tire? Rubber tire. Put number three for the rubber tire. And four for telephone. Put four, number four for telephone. Number five, television. And number six, mobile phone. Number six, mobile phone. Very good. So children, When was the wheel invented? The wheel was invented 5,000 years ago. And when was the tire invented? The tire was invented 170 years ago. And do you know the printing press? Before the printing press, people used to carve letters on the wooden block. They used to take the wooden block. They used to carve letters. Carving means hardly pressing on the wooden so that the letters we can, if we press, you can see the letters. So that is called a block printing or carve printing. Okay. Later, one German called Gutenberg, his name was Gutenberg. He invented a new kind of printing press 500 years ago. Then the television, it was invented 100 years ago. But when people started buying these telephones for their home, they started buying it after 1950. Next one, the telephone. In 1876, telephone was invented. What is the meaning of telephone? Tele means far, phone means voice. These are the Greek words. The meaning of telephone is far voice. The first mobile phone was invented in about 1980 years. It means 1980. It was invented in 1980. And it was very difficult to communicate with our friends, with our family members. Okay, those who are far away, we cannot communicate. So after telephone, after mobile phones have invented, everything became very easy. Very, very easy. We can communicate to our family members wherever, whenever. Yes or no? Yes? So these are new inventions which we have learned today. And you'll be getting one question related to these inventions. You have to write a paragraph. That is your homework. Now, take out the page number. Now, take out the page number 106 of your Global English. 106. 106 of your Global English. Children, here are some healthy tips for you. How can we stay healthy? How can we stay healthy? Today is the Doctor's Day. On this Doctor's Day occasion, let us learn some healthy habits which helps us to stay safe at home. These healthy habits helps us a lot to stay safe at home. Let us see now. To keep your body healthy and strong, you need healthy food to eat and clean water to drink. Yes, children, are you taking healthy food and neat food? Are you drinking clean water? It is very important. It is very, very important. You need plenty of exercise and plenty of sleep. You need to keep clean. You have to do exercise daily, a small, any exercises, any yoga asanas, whatever you know, you have to do exercise and you have to sleep properly. Early to bed, early to rise. Makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. This is a small quotation, small proverb. Okay? If you sleep early, you can wake up early. If you wake up early, you will be very energetic and you can do lots of good things in your day and and you can become healthy, wealthy, and wise also. So now let us see the healthy food. We need food containing protein to make our muscles strong. What type of food we want to make our muscles strong? We need proteins. What do we need? We need proteins. Proteins means what will you like to eat? Proteins means like eggs, beans, fish, meat, milk, and cheese. These are all proteins contained food. This you have to eat to develop to improve your muscles. Fruits and vegetables are also important for our health. Green vegetables and fruits are very, very important to improve our immune system. Okay. Exercise builds strong bones and muscles. If we do exercise, what we will get? We will get strong bones and strong muscles. What do we get if we do exercise? Strong bones and muscles. Exercise means what type of exercise you have to do? Walking, running, climbing stairs, and playing ball games. These are all small exercises which makes you very healthy. Now, balance. What is a balance? Stand on your left leg, hold your right foot, bring your heel close to your body. How long can you stay in this position? Swap legs. Was it easier to balance on your right or your left leg? See the picture how the boy and girl holding one hand, one leg in their hand, and they're trying to stand on only one foot. Is it possible, children? Can we do that? We may fall down. Yes? If you can do that. Okay, balancing. Then up and down. Do the exercise again. Then bend your left leg a little and lean forward. Touch the floor with your free hand. Stand up again. Can you do this 3 times? What muscles are you using in this exercise? See, they told you to do small exercise. Hold your leg in your hand and bend down, and then touch the floor, and then leave your free hands. Like that, how many times you have to do? You have to do 3 times. Will you try this today at home? This exercise, will you try? Okay, try to do that, okay? Now sleep. A lot of important things happen while you are sleeping. Your bones do most of their growing while you are asleep. Whenever you sleep, no, muscles will grow. Yeah? Muscles grow whenever we are sleeping. So you have to sleep well, and your brain and body need to rest. Children need to sleep about 10 hours each night. How many hours you have to sleep? You have to sleep nearly 10 hours. So you have to sleep early and give your brain some rest and let your muscles grow stronger. Wash your hands. Germs are very tiny living things which can make us ill. If they get inside us, our hands touch lots of things with germs. So wash your hands properly. If you are going outside, use sanitizer, hand sanitizer. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay? And to just pass out the time of washing hands, you can sing birthday song and you can wash your hands. Your birthday song finishes, your hand washing also finish. Yes? Try this while you are washing. washing hands, while you are washing hands, what you have to do? You have to sing your birthday song. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Like that, sing and do. Okay. And you can enjoy and you can complete your washing hands. So based on these two topics beta, today I will I'm going to send you some exercises. Based on this, I'm going to send some exercises. Okay. Like question and answers you have. I will share that pic of your course book. Try to complete that homework. Okay. Read these topics again. Read page number 64 and 65. And then you have to read page number 106 and 107 of Global English. How can we stay healthy and complete your homework? Okay, children? Will you complete your homework? Try to complete. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, okay?